Hashtag Hazel LBS. Bye. Right now, I am in Batis Alamin Resort. We're gonna stop by in Kamay ni Jesus. This is actually my school field trip right now. Here's my classmates. That's JJ, the top one. This is Arik, that's no one.
Hey, I'm top 7 and I'm playing Shadow Fight. And I'm a game
He's just
expert.
lying. Stop!
Steady!
And this is Jacob, the man.
Okay!
And this is Jose. Stop! Okay, sorry guys.
Patay!
Wow, what happened to the Wait. I'm just gotta get the vlog. Oh guys, this is the vlog.
I think she doesn't.
Weird. Oh.
Okay lang yan?
Oh. You just ate the vlog guys. How dare you?
Oh yeah, oh yeah. You're
Jacob.
I'll just Hey guys, I'll be leaving. Yeah.
What the? Oh yeah. Ice cream. Guys, this is part 1 of my adventures. And remember,
Arik!
this is. Stop it! Stop! Just stop. Oh yeah, guys, this is part 1 of my. No! Don't show it in the camera! No!
Monster University, diba?
No!
You're gonna play that, this game? Okay, download it.
Yeah, I am.
JJ!
Okay,
JJ, diba?
yung po mga may upuan, pakiupunan ko yung mga wala pa po. Titignan po natin kung ilan ba yung dadagdag na upuan ko.
Arik!
There's the resort.
Arik!
The resort!
Yuki, diba? Yuki, watch and learn. Watch and learn dito.
Yuki, wag!
Kasi! JJ, get your own chair. Wala sa mga kasi. Ano, spy?
Ami, say hi!
Yuki. Hi!
That's Ami, my best friend. She's my classic. No!
Iron. Please. Kakainin ko na kayo.
That's iron.
Hey, why are you here?
Sorry, Mike. A short break.
Ito po tayo doon sa
No,
cottage.
I hate you for that. Stop.
Pwede na po doon sa cottage.
Okay.
Patay! Patay ang aso.
Oh my goodness, everyone.
Ng cottage, yung
Jose, say hi. Jose, say hi.
Ganto si Liam eh.
Alam ko rin, say hi.
Palaro.
Say hi.
Pag yan.
Ground 2 na. Sorry for that.
Okay, meron po pinamimigay na papel. Pagkapilat na lang po ng mga parents ko.
Oh, ikaw.
Doon naman sa mga
Okay, see you guys later.
8, 4, 5, 6.
Wait lang, round 2.
Pakipilatan yung papel na bibigay sa inyo.
Saglit lang. Oh yeah, watch the part 2. That's where the swimming, fun, and stuff like that going. Yay!
Ayun, balik ko din.